Hi, my name is Jordan Boder. I am a freshman here at GCU. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering technology. Now it is time for a video example. Just a heads up, this is going to be a very dramatic kind of film. I decided to make things a little more interesting so they can be more enjoyable, and then you'll see more of me after the video. So, one moment.
This isn't my phone. Where's my phone? It's not here.
Since my phone wasn't on the charger, then that means it must still be in my pants from last night.
Since it wasn't here, then that means they're in my pants from last night. Quick!
Okay, after watching that little dramatic bit there, kind of like a little action movie trailer, I decided to make it more fun than just me looking for my phone around my room. So we can go back through the scientific method and see how it was all applied there. So firstly was going to be our observation. When I reached for my phone and found sunglasses instead, I observed that my phone was not there. After I observed that my phone was not there, I then jumped out of bed and I questioned, where is my phone? After I originally asked that question, I made a hypothesis that my phone would be at my phone charger, so I decided to check there. The hypothesis in this case is if I check my phone charger, then my phone will probably be there. Then I did an experiment. I checked my phone charger and my phone was not there. After that experiment, I concluded that my phone was not there and I decided that I needed to do more testing. After deciding that I needed to do more testing, I made another hypothesis, which was because my phone wasn't on the charger, then there was a good chance that it was going to be in my pants. So in this scenario, the hypothesis was, if I check my pants, then my phone will be there. Then I test my experiment. My experiment was successful, and I did find my phone. My conclusion for my second experiment in all of this was that there were no further tests necessary because I found my phone. And the results of everything is that if I lose my phone in the future, another place that I could look is I could check my pants from the night before to make sure I've checked all other places. At the end of the day, the main purpose of this video is to kind of just make the scientific method a little less daunting of a thing and kind of make it easier to understand that it's used kind of day to day by everyone a lot. Even for something as simple as just trying to find your phone, I figured it would be a lot less intimidating of a project if I could just bring it down to something a lot simpler. You may be wondering why the chains and clothing. This is future Jordan, who has edited and made the video and decided that he wanted to add some more things. So here we go. The video that I made, I used inductive reasoning mainly because I made general observations and kind of moved forward from there. There is no absolute conclusion. Like, just because I was able to find my phone in my pants doesn't mean that's always where it's going to be every time I lose it. And then if it was deductive reasoning, that means no matter what, every time I check my pants, my phone will always be there, which is unfortunately not true for me, which makes things a little harder on myself. Hypothesis versus theories versus laws. A hypothesis is an idea that is testable based on observations around you. So in the case of the video, I hypothesized that my phone would be on the charger and it was not there, unfortunately. Next is going to be theory. For a theory, it is something that is well explained and backed up by just the way the world kind of is. A theory that I could probably apply would be that my phone is always in my room no matter what. Whether it's on the charger or not, I know that no matter what, my phone is going to be in my room. And this fact has been tested as long as I've had my phone. Basically, every morning it's always been there. So yeah. Lastly, we have law. Law is something that is strictly described. There actually isn't really an application in my video that I made for this, but I think that a good one is Newton's law of universal gravitation. This basically is a mathematical equation, or you could look at it like a definition that is exactly explaining what gravity is. We know gravity isn't going anywhere. We know that if we drop something, it's going to the ground. We're not floating. Nothing like that's happening. So yeah.